Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, can't delete empty folders in Windows 11. Here's the fix. Open command prompt with administrator privileges. Type rd space, /s space, double quote / question mark /. Right-click folder, click Show More Options. Click Copy as Path. Right-click. Only delete double quote, not delete any space. Press Enter key. Type Y to continue. Folder deleted successfully. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.